Good morning, student. In my last class, I explained some concept of human reproduction chapter. Now I am going to explain one more important concept in this chapter, mammary gland. So my dear student, mammary gland question, asking 2 marks question or 3 marks question. Sometime asking draw a neat label diagram of mammary gland, 2 marks question, and sometime asking explain the structure of mammary gland, asking 3 marks question in your examination. So my dear student, mammary is a Latin word. It means breast. Breast producing, secrete and ejaculations of milk. It is the characteristic features of all female mammals. Okay, so now going to explain the structure of mammary gland. See my dear student, this is the structure of mammary gland. This is the structure of mammary gland. Actually the mammary gland consists of mainly 2 types of tissues, glandular tissues and fat tissues. ಈ ಕಲರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪಿಂಕ್ ಕಲರು, these are the fat tissues and another one is glandular tissues. So glandular tissues, the functional glandular tissues of each breast is divided into 15 to 20 mammary lobes. See, this is the mammary lobes, okay, which contain a group of cell called alveoles, a group of cell called alveoles which secrete milk. Alveoli opens into mammary tubules. These tubules join to form mammary duct. Really ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, this is the mammary duct. The several mammary duct join to form mammary ampulla. Mammary ampulla through which milk is sucked out. Then sucked out, ನೋಡಿ milk sucked out, milk ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಟಿಫರಸ್ ಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, then the infant sucked milk through nipple. So this is the outer structure of nipple. So then and the ejaculation of milk is stimulated by oxytocin. ನೋಡಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಟೋಸಿನ್ ಸಕ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಮಿಲ್ಕ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಟೋಸಿನ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಸಕ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ mammary gland. Asking 3 marks or 2 marks question in your examination. So this is the structure. Explain the structure of female gamete, ovum or egg. So egg, the female gamete egg is spherical in shape. ಯಾವ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಪೆರಿಕಲ್ ಶೇಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Spherical in shape and measures about 0.1 mm in diameter. The outer plasma membrane called oolemma and inner cytoplasm called ooplasm. ನೋಡಿ, ಔಟರ್ ಮೆಂಬ್ರೇನಿಗೆ ಊಲೆಮ್ಮ ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಸೆಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಲ್ಸಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? oooplasm ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ is mainly composed of the cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome and some amount of yolk. ನೋಡಿ, ಯೋಲ್ಕ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ವೆರಿ ಲಿಟ್ಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಎಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಲೆಸಿಥಲ್. ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಎಗ್ಗಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ? ಮೈಕ್ರೋಲಿಸಿಥಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಸೈಟೋಪ್ಲಾಸಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, ribosomes and some amount of yolk. Then in the central region, a large haploid nucleus. ಎಗ್ಗಿನ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ರೀಜನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್. And then, my dear student, these spherical shaped egg is covered by two additional membrane. One is zona pellucida, the first additional membrane, zona pellucida, and one more additional membrane called corona radiata. This is the structure, corona. Okay, so this is the structure. This is the corona radiata and zona pellucida. So my dear student, so the female gamete egg is spherical in shape and measures about 0.1 mm in diameter, and outer membrane called oolemma and inner cytoplasm called ooplasm, which contain mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome and some amount of yolk. Then the central region consists of mainly large haploid nucleus, large size haploid nucleus, and the egg is covered by two additional membrane. One is zona pellucida and another one is corona radiata. This is the structure of female gamete egg or ovum.